I just wanted to show you 415 Martin. Really great, wonderful view. Great neighbors. You'll see the view out back is really pretty tremendous. Architect owned it, did the renovations. Lots of little special details. Walk down the side. I mean, it just feels really open. With killer details. Little things like that need to be done, but I mean, not significant. Mortar looks really, really good. You could meet Rob Lamb, or maybe I'll get him in the picture in a minute, the guy that sold me my house in Germantown. Great front door. Nice because it mirrors the storm there. And we have our little sitting area. That's fine if you get in there. I told him about you. He's like, who's the listing agent? I was like, oh, I've known him for a long, long time. Really great moldings.
Those are all southwest facing, that whole side of the house.
That's great. And the view is, just have to love that. Nice blonde woods. All the moldings are like significant. I mean, they're really nice and in great shape. Maybe a little more light. Yeah, that's fine. So, I mean, you're right, the triple yard just makes all the difference. Windows are pretty smashing. Killer kitchen, so there's a step down. And you can leave the kitchen. Really great details. That's from the side. A little bevel edge on the wood. A nice mix of materials. The tile is freaking gorgeous. Really, really lovely. And this little lighting, good stove. These are pretty sweet. The little pull-outs, just lovely. Sturdy cabinetry, really good quality. Little chalkboard, little mini radiator for the back room. Nice vinyl construction windows. And here we've got a little side porch. So you can see a bit. The sills on the outside are really great. Love this. Probably need some work done. There's a black squirrel, which I had shown earlier. Maybe I'll get a better zooming in with him. The side porch is pretty great. Let's have your walkway. Side of the home. Really great lines. Water goes away. Beautiful view. Little shed. Not much of anything really. And this is yours as well. 2-car parking. Some fencing to work with. It's kind of nice. It's little rooms, really. It would be really fun to work off of. You get some water here. This needs to be regraded in a way from the property. They've started, but looks good though. Could use some ceiling on the outside and on the steps. So there's some cement work, but really nothing critical. Okay. right, let's see here. We have basement, might as well do it. Cool landing. This is great. So they've dry locked the walls. That's definitely been put in new. Lines look good. A little step up toilet. Such a classic. Philadelphia, Roxborough, Manioc, Northwest Philadelphia homes. So we have a brand spanking new 200 amp box, a workhorse furnace, 98 or thereabouts. So, I mean, honestly, it's probably got another 25 years to live. We have our hot water heater. I'll talk about more about that later, but I think that's the hybrid one, but I'll ask. Washer, not so much on the washer dryer, but you're going to bring your own anyway. Okay, and then creepy room. Let's see. Yeah, creepy room. All right. Okay, let's go back up. Go up. Nice cork flooring. Tall closet, about the same depth here. Not as tall though, actually. Screen closet that's been put in. It's kind of interesting. Nice little details. Okay. Here's the scroll screen. So a nice little dressing room. It's really clever. Little details everywhere you look. Oh yeah, bathroom's lovely. Very, very deep. Okay. So this is just the hallway. I want to get you so you have the view. So you come up the stairs, bedroom, office.